Archaeologist is important because to remember what happened in the past, and everybody gets to know, then you can maybe see it one day when you learned it.
Sometimes we go to the graveyard and we go to we dig up stuff.
Went up to the Cumnock Cemetery.
Yeah, you like that?
Good. We were updating about all the graves and everything up there. Weren't we, Adam?
Yep. And what did you learn about from the graves?
And we learned who died in the mines and everything, and we were all studying, and the big class, and it was just brilliant.
Because I asked for the measuring tape, and we got one, and they measured how long is it and what length is it.
And then I write it down.
And do you think maths and measurement and things like that is a really important skill for an archaeologist to have?
Yeah.
Yes.
Crafting.
Which part of the crafting did you like?
Soap cutting.
Yeah. Can you remember why we did the soap carving? What was that? Do you remember what it was linked to?
Neolithics.
Neolithic rock art.
Yeah.
Do you remember we looked at the rock art that was near Mifflin? Yeah. Ballochmyle. You did those lovely carvings.
Yeah, they can. Yeah. They just keep being passionate. You will be one. Great speech, Lucas. Thank you.